The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the Nokia 3V Verizon wireless. So this is on their postpaid service. So this is available on the postpaid service and the prepaid service as well. So it's available on postpaid and prepaid from Verizon. Yeah, it's available in blue there. So if you guys are interested in this, it's worth checking out. This is a budget phone, so do keep in mind. This is right down in front of me. Y'all gotta see this have a notch on the top there, teardrop notch, so not too bad, pretty good notch there, you know, not too bad, you know. Has the Nokia logo on the bottom on the front of the phone. I think your volume button is on the right side of the phone. No, I think your power button is on the right side of the phone, and so your volume button, but I'm not sure what this button is right here. I'm not really sure what this is. The Nokia 3V is available in 16 gigabytes of storage. It's available on a payment plan at $7 a month for 24 months or $168 for retail price. Alright. So like I said, this phone is available on Verizon postpaid and Verizon prepaid. But it's not, the page is not available yet for the prepaid version for this phone. So I'll do another video on this phone when it is available to purchase for Verizon prepaid service. Alright. So let's go check out the Nokia 3V. This is an update over the Nokia 2V. What you got earlier this year. The Nokia 2V was an Android Go smartphone. This one does not appear to be Android Go, but it could be. It doesn't. As far as I know, it's same as Android Go, but then the 2V was Android Go Oreo edition. This one has Pride. Y'all gotta see that there on the screen. Also says here, efficiency meets elegance with the Nokia 3V. This unsophisticated smartphone features an eye-catching, high-gloss design, 2.5D glass display, and 6.2-inch HD plus screen, complete with a selfie notch for maximized viewing area. Get more done thanks to a high-performance Get more done thanks to a high-performance Snapdragon 429 processor and long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. Not too bad there. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you keep it in mind. Verizon is your go-to destination for the hottest phones like the Nokia 3V, all on the nation's most awarded network. There you guys, like I said, it's available in blue, 16 gigabytes of storage. You get 35 days of standby time on the Nokia 3V, 10 hours of usage time, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 3 inches in width, and 6.28 inches in height. There, right? Says taken every detail. The Nokia 3V features an expensive 6.2-inch screen, perfect for streaming TV shows, chatting with friends, and playing the latest apps. A 19:9 aspect ratio and upgraded HD plus display make for a truly immersive multimedia experience. Alright. This is the front and back. Yeah, I'm not sure what this button is gonna look. I'm not sure what that button is. I'm sure it'll probably tell us. It's probably Google Assistant. I think that's what it's, Google Assistant probably. Look here best. Bring out your inner model with a 5 megapixel selfie camera, complete with beautification mode for highlighting your favorite features. A 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera with improved UI makes it easier to capture your best creations yet. Battery for days. Go unplugged for up to 2 days thanks to a powerful and efficient 4,000 mAh battery. Its 5-volt 2-amp charger fills your device up faster so you can get out the door quicker and focus on the things that matter So this might have quick charge on there. So it's pretty neat. There is your Verizon logo on the back of the phone. There y'all can see right there. Engineered to outperform, effortlessly, efficient and seamless, smooth. The Nokia 3B was built to impress. Its Snapdragon 429 processor provides up to a 50% improvement in GPU performance for faster browsing, more cinematic videos, and a higher quality gaming experience. Alright? So like I said, this is a budget phone, so you keep that in mind. The Nokia 3B, it has a microSD card slot up to 128 gig, 16 gigabytes of internal storage, I think 2 gigabytes of RAM. Has saying of course Wi-Fi 82.11 BGN, no AC, just 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. I don't think it's dual band Wi-Fi according to this. Snapdragon 429, 4G LTE, no 5G of course. Snapdragon 429. Yeah, I don't know why they put processor twice, but it's kind of interesting. It does have AC voice, which lets you experience AC voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and may call anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Has LTE advantage with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a world device, so it'll be able to work in over 200 countries. 35 days of standby time, 10 hours of usage time. 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 3 inches in width, 6.17 ounces of weight there, 6.28 inches in height, 0.33 inches depth. Your screen size on the Nokia 3B is 6.26 inches, HD plus 17p plus 19:9. That is 720 by 1440 pixels. That is 257 PPI there, 4000 mAh battery, Android Pie, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. There is no Android Go limit. This is just regular Android, stock Android or whatever. Android Pie of course. I don't expect this one Q, but who knows. If you guys need help with your Nokia 3B, Verizon is here to have that device support. So you guys need to learn how to set Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, and stuff like that. Device support can help you with that. So what you guys get in the box on the Nokia 3B is the Nokia 3B smartphone, parents or SIM card, battery type and size, which is 4000 milliamps, which is non-removable, so you cannot remove the battery. You have a wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector. I think it's Type C charging. I think I could be wrong. Someone let me know if it's Type C charging on this one. Hopefully it is. Quick reference guide and consumer safety information, product safety, and to brochure there. If you guys want to download the user manual, y'all guys can do that if you guys want. There you guys have the Nokia 3B. Is I had at Verizon to level on their postpaid and prepaid service. Get off, come on. Sorry about that. So you guys have the Nokia 3B. It's now available at Verizon postpaid and prepaid. It's $7 a month for 24 months or $168 for retail price. There you guys have it, Nokia 3B. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It would smile a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.